Looks like another project's arrived at the door. Let's take a look and see what it is. Looks like some hood hinges. Let's take a look. Well, you gotta take the springs off to see how they are. With the springs removed, you can take a close look at the pivot points, which is really what wears out on these things. And on this hinge, there's really two pivot points that are worn. This one and this one, not this one. This one and this one. And the way I can tell that's worn is if you look real close, you can see that the arm is moving around the rivet. The rivet, the arm has slop in it, not the rivet. Same thing here. Now this one I can get to the back side of and I can restake it. This one here, I cannot. On this one, something hokey happened here. I don't know what it is. It almost looks like it was broken and then re-welded, but something happened right there. I don't know, but we'll find out when we sandblast it. So let's give you some close-ups of the problems that I talked about. You see right here, somebody's been chiseling at this one, and because of the design, I can't get to the back side of that. The only possible way I've got is by shimming in back of here, so I go pressure here to the head here so I can squish it. And the other one that's bad is this one right here. See the movement? All of that slop is in the linkage. The linkage is worn, not the rivet. The rivet looks good. But I can get to the back side of this rivet and I can restake it, and I think we can save that. I think these hinges are marginal, but I think we'll refinish them. I'm going to talk to the guy who suggested I do it, and we'll go from there. Oh yes, I wanted to show you this. Right here, the arm doesn't look right. See, it's bent nicely here, but here it looks like there's weld on it or something. So we'll clean that off with a sandblaster. And that is the next step. We go sandblast. Let's do some sandblasting. We have the hinges cleaned up where we can work on some of the flaws in fixing the rivets. This one is pretty sloppy. We'll see if we can get rid of some of that. But now we got to turn our attention to the springs and clean them. And we want to be able to get in between all the coils. So I have this jig that I can stretch the spring out, and that way I can clean up the spring. And now, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see between the springs, and I'll be able to clean everything. So to the sandblaster we go with this. And you don't need to see this again, so I'll get back to you. What we're going to try to do now is take some of the slop out of this hinge. And this one rivet here has a lot of slop in it. So what I have here is a fixture that's got the press pushing down on the head of the rivet, and that's being transferred to the back side of the rivet to the top. And there's no stress on the spring. And I'll just keep pressing until we get rid of some of the slop. See what we've done? And there we go. See? I like that a lot. It came out good. Done? Yep, it was. It feels good. It feels good. We have the hinges cleaned and we have the rivets restaked. Now we have to outgas so we can powder coat. So we'll run this for 45 minutes at 500 degrees, and that will take care of any gases that are inside the metals. Okay, on to powder coat. Probably the most difficult part of this is now that we've powder coated it, it's all frozen. So what the trick I've learned is I don't quite close it all the way up. When I put the powder on to start with, the hinge is closed, and then I open up 95%, but I leave 5% loose so that I can set it here and hit right here, and it'll close just a little bit, and that'll give me enough movement to free up the hinge. Hopefully. Some are easy, some are hard. Didn't move. Moved a little. So once we get a little movement in it over there with a hammer, then we'll start pushing on this here, and it'll free up. There we go. And we'll take a little oil and put them in his pivot points. Let's take a look at the springs. Well, it went on there. There we go. Not bad. Looks good. Looks good. I think that's what we're going to do next. We're going to put the spring in the hinge. Want to just stand and wait? Okay. Oh, would you like to see how to do that? Let's do that.
Facing the other way?
Yeah, it's got to go right there and there. So right there. I want to get out of the way.
Way back.
Okay, okay. Great, thank you very much.
Yep.
I believe we've got a good result. Thank you for watching, and there'll be more.